Oh. What is that? I would like to know. Find out what's wrong with these people here. Oh, this is yo soy un pájaro loco.
Does that mean crazy bird?
Sí. Me gusta mucho jugar.
You're fat.
Ay, me gusta también cantar.
You're fat.
I'm not fat.
Yes, you are.
I'm not fat. What are you
You're
talking about?
fat.
Don't be funny this
You're still fat, you bird.
Don't do that.
I'm just gonna do whatever I want.
I was born in Brazil, where the samba plays a lot. Yes.
Samba. Yeah.
Samba. I am from the land of the lambada. Lambada, lambada. Dun, dun, dun.
You suck at dancing.
Oh, no, I'm not bad at dancing. You are really bad at dancing.
Shut up, bird.
Look at, I can't even do push-ups.
Look what noise you made.
Yeah, I can fly. You know the song? I'm gonna sing a song. I believe I can fly.
Why you can already fly? That makes no
I
sense.
believe I can touch the sky. I think about it every night and day.
I can't see you in the camera, so
Spread my
get your
wings
face
and
over
fly
here.
Away.
He's gonna be sold at El Pollo Loco soon for like $20.
I'm not material for the Pollo Loco. You gotta be kidding.
I'm selling you for scrap.
I'm just a little bird.
But you're the local parent. You should be with the local.
I'm not loco.
But we can sell you. We can.
Don't
Ow!
talk to me like that. Don't be disrespectful towards your... How old are you?
11.
11? I am 45.
Yeah, right.
Yes.
Why do you have such beautiful
Oh,
colors?
because I've always been beautiful. I've been red and green and blue and white. So I'm not racist.
What race are you anyway?
I don't have any race. I'm a bird.
You're a parrot.
Yeah, I'm not a parrot. I am a bird. And I do have wings and I fly.
Where do you live?
I used to live on a tree.
Do you have any kids?
Were you evicted?
I used to have kids. Yes. I have like 385 kids. What are you laughing at it?
How? So
We
many.
birds, we have a lot of kids.
How?
I don't want to tell you. You're too little to know.
Cousin and nephews?
I do have like 5,863 cousins. And 3,887 brothers.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is Fruit Loops.
Fruit Loops?
Yes.
Why?
I don't know. I'm kind of Americanized. What can I tell you about?
What type of lunch do you like cheeseburgers, burritos?
I don't eat those things. I like fruits. I like oranges, papayas, mangoes.
How do you even cut the oranges?
It's easy for me. Don't you see I have a huge beak? Hey, don't do that to
More
me,
like a
please.
stupid small beak.
I am not that kind of person. Don't
Ow,
do that to me. I am good to attack, okay?
Oh my!
Stop it. Alright, hey, don't do that. Told you.
Oh,
Don't play around with me, please.
psycho bird.
I'm not a psycho bird.
You're on monk. You're
Oh,
on.
what is this? Is this a Hello? Hi. Yes, it's me. My name is Raul. I am from Brazil, the land of
Monkeys.
the monkeys, of course. And you can see I have a huge beak.
Eddie.
I love my beak. And a faithfully and happily beaking.
More like a huge attitude.
Yes. And that kid over there, that kid. He is just a kid. Hey, stop it. And you can see
You can't see you.
I can fly.
No,
Okay,
you
that's
can't.
it.
No, it's not it, Dad.